What is Wincalendar.exe? Wincalendar.exe is an executable file that is part of the Wincalendar v4 program developed by Sapros Systems. It is a software that allows you to create and print customizable calendars with Excel or Word. It also comes with a free desktop calendar and date picker for Windows, Word, and Excel. The file size is usually about 9.95 MB. The file contains the executable code for the app and is necessary for its proper functioning. You should avoid tampering with the file in any way or form. Some of the most common errors associated with Wincalendar.exe Wincalendar.exe could not be found. This error occurs when the said file is missing from the system or you have moved the file to a different location. Wincalendar.exe is not a valid Win32 application. When the Wincalendar.exe file gets corrupt or damaged, you will see this message. Wincalendar.exe has encountered a problem and needs to close. If there is a conflict between the Wincalendar app and some other app or an extension, then you will get a notification of this error. Excel crashes when using Wincalendar. Wincalendar app can be integrated with Excel and you will see this error if there is a conflict between Excel and the app. Wincalendar.exe high CPU usage. This error occurs when Wincalendar uses a high amount of RAM, thereby slowing down the system. There are different ways to fix the Wincalendar.exe errors depending on the cause and type of the error. Here are some general steps that you can try. Restore your PC back to the latest restore point, /snapshot / or backup image before error occurred. This can help you undo any changes that might have caused the error. To begin system restore, Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, and 10 hit the Windows Start button and type /system restore / in the search box. Follow the prompts for restoration. Uninstall and reinstall Wincalendar. This can help you fix any corrupted or missing files that might be causing the error. To uninstall Wincalendar, go to the search bar and type /add or remove programs /. Find Wincalendar and then click on the 3-dot button. After that, select uninstall. Follow the instructions. Then, download and install Wincalendar from a trusted source like Microsoft Store or cnetsdownload.com. Update Microsoft Office. This can help you resolve any compatibility issues between Wincalendar and Excel or Word. To update Microsoft Office, go to the File tab and click on Account. Then, click on Update Options and select Update Now. Follow the instructions. Scan your computer for malware. This can help you remove any malicious programs that might have infected the Wincalendar.exe file or interfere with its functioning. To scan your computer for malware, use a reliable antivirus software like Windows Defender or Malwarebytes. Run a full system scan and follow the instructions to remove any threats. Check your macro security settings. This can help you allow Wincalendar to run properly in Excel or Word. To check your macro security settings, go to the File tab and click on Options. Then, click on Trust Center and select Trust Center Settings. Then, click on Macro Settings and select Enable All Macros or Disable All Macros with Notification. Click OK. Other tips: check for Windows updates. Repair Microsoft Office. Check for conflicts with other programs by running Windows Clean Boot and disabling add-ins in Microsoft Office. Contact Wincalendar support.